It's Christian out here with Eat Like an Apex. We are still in the times of quarantine and sheltering in place in efforts to relieve the virus from spreading. We're keeping things indoor, and today's video is going to be a vlog on Korean fire noodles like this right here. There's been tons and tons of fire noodle challenges, but I've never gotten to it. So now that we're kind of keeping things indoors, I think it's a great time for me to go ahead and do that. This is the extremely hot pack, the black package, and I'm gonna show you everything in this video right now. One, two, three, four, 5 packs of noodles in there. Also with these noodles, I picked up some seafood. So it's like a mixed seafood, like crab, like squid, shrimp, clams, and some zucchini too. White zucchini. I'm gonna open another pack right now, just in case anybody wants to join me for this challenge. Alright, it's time to add the seasoning and the hot sauce. Second pack of seasoning from the other pack. Seaweed and sesame seeds. And then the hot sauce. Second pack. Just mix that in there. Make sure that hot sauce is seeped up in there. Just finished cooking the noodles, and you can see that orangish, reddish tint permeating from those noodles. It is the fire noodles after all. And then I added some seafood in there, octopus or squid, some imitation crab meat, some zucchini. So without further ado, this is the fire noodles. Not a challenge, just gonna eat it because, yeah, it's what I do. I like to eat. Spice is the game, and I am the player. So here we go. And oh, April's having some too.
April.
She's having some spicy noodles too. And bite. Oh yeah. Okay, yeah, there is some spice to that. Yeah, it's not like extremely spicy, and it's supposed to be. You know, a lot of people when they have these, it's kind of hard for them to eat the fire noodles because of the spice, but I actually really enjoy that flavor. It's like they're kind of zesty almost. Yeah, but there's some spice to it. All right, I'm gonna take another bite here. Oh, chase it with a piece of crab. Oh yeah. Oh, that's good. Oh, have some zucchini with that too. Yeah, those noodles, man. When making it, you kind of have to kind of mix in that sauce with it too. Those noodles absorb that water. It's sat for a little bit, so it's not very hot as far as temperature wise. But oh yeah, man, that's delicious. Wow. Yeah, that heat actually does kind of creep up afterwards. Maybe a couple more bites, I'm really gonna feel it. But oh, that's still good. Another bite. Oh yeah. What ASMR mukbang people do too. Hey, you take a bite. Oh wow, that was a good bite you took there. Wow, good one. A little bit spicy? It's spicy?
No.
Yeah.
It is spicy.
It is spicy. You taste it? Yeah, it's okay. That spice is one of those spicy factor that kind of creeps up like later on the next few bites. Yeah, you too. Yeah, you start feeling it, but I'm gonna keep going here. Try it with a piece of octopus in there. Yeah, I think that's like squid or octopus. One of those.
Thank you.
Oh, she's down in that water. That spice is a creeper. So that sauce creeps up on you like I said. We'll keep going here. Kind of reminds me of like pasta noodle, like pasta sauce. Like spicy pasta sauce. Oh, man. Wow. I'm starting to sweat. Yeah. All right, a few bites into it and we are perspiring. Oh, don't wipe my pan, don't wipe my, yeah, that's spicy. Whew. Whew. Yeah, feeling it. Okay, I just shredded everything off now because I'm gonna feel hot, sweaty. I'm hot in that jacket. My lips. It's red. I haven't had any water yet, so that's my first swig. Almost there. Look at my face. I'm dripping. That's not a shower, eh? That's sweat from spice, not from like working out.
April's one of her lips is orange.
Shauna made me an egg real quick. I'm just gonna crack open that egg.
Dang, look at April go too.
Here's the egg. I completely finished most of my noodles, everything.
My turn.
Zucchini.
Ah.
Put some on that egg.
Oh my gosh, you are. It's actually.
Put some salt.
Good.
Egg. Oh, hot.
Would you like?
Sappy's worried about me.
Would you like to wipe your head?
Oh, do I have to eat this? I don't. Fine. Alright. This is it right here, guys. You can do all kinds of things when quarantined at home. We decided to do a cooking vlog with the fire noodles. I gotta say before I finish this last bite that's got some heat to it. As you can see how sweaty I am. However, it is doable. I sweat like more frequently than the average person, if that makes sense. Like I sweat more. With that said, it is still hot, spicy, but I loved it. Very delicious. Loved every bite of it. Yeah, that was definitely a treat. Hope you guys are staying positive during these times. I know for some of us it might be frustrating to be at home, but thank you for doing your part. With that said, I hope you enjoyed this home cooking fire noodle challenge video vlog. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. Peace out. One love, late. Don't forget to like and subscribe. and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. Last bite. Oh yeah. Bye.
Big thumbs up.